Okay, just to let you know, we are live. Okay, Ms. J.
Yes.
And we're just waiting for your attorney to come back, and then we'll call your cases on the record.
Okay.
Okay, just to let you know, we are live. Okay, Ms. J.
Yes. Okay.
And we're just waiting for your attorney to come back, and then we'll call your.
Okay.
That was just
It's a repeat.
Yeah, it was. Okay, we're still live though, but I had the YouTube link open.
Okay.
Is this the first, Ms. Jenkins, is this the first courtroom you had to Zoom into? Your only courtroom?
Yes, in the last one.
Good answer. What are your thoughts? Do you think it's more convenient to Zoom in or to come physically in court?
No, this way would be better. I like it this way.
So that you can stay at home and not have to come here and park and all that?
Yes. Yeah.
I think so too.
Yeah.
We're just figuring out the kinks, as you can see.
Right. That's fine. It's new to all of us, so it's no problem. Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, we are live on YouTube, just so you know, okay?
Okay.
I have all the cases printed out. I do see here that there are 2 counts for the city and then 4 counts for the state. For the offer from the city, what did the city offer?
The city offered her a plea to one count of failure to display and the other three would be dismissed. So a reduction, and one count of failure to display and the original charges and the other three would be dismissed.
Okay. So we have a total of 6.
Yes. So that's 4 of the matters addressed.
What I can do is for the 2 city counts.
The state counts?
No, for the city ones, do 2 failure to displays and dismiss the 4 state counts.
That works wonderfully. Ms. Jenkins, so as we discussed in the breakout room, that means you won't end up with any points. You'll pay for tickets and the other 4 will be dismissed. And that dismissals, that means that the points will be dismissed as well.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, so we are going on the record. And just for everyone's knowledge, we are having technical issues with our Polycom system. Therefore, our court reporter is not able to log in from the courtroom where she is sitting. So I'm recording this matter through the Zoom technology. And it's also being recorded live on YouTube. So calling cases SP 3658411, the People versus Katrina Jenkins, driving while license not valid or improper license, SP 5097181, driving while license suspended, SP 3658412, no insurance, SP 5097182, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle, SP 5097183, no insurance, and SP 5097182, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733 on behalf of Ms. Jenkins. Ms. Jenkins, can you please state your name for the record?
Katrina Jenkins.
Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
And Ms. Jenkins, I think I said good morning to you about 10 times today.
It's okay.
30, so I just want to say thank you for being patient.
Absolutely, no problem.
We are going to take care of your matter today. Is it correct? You're going to plead guilty to 2 amended charges of failure to display a valid operator's license, which are both 0-point offenses.
Yes, that's correct.
Understanding that the 4 remaining counts will be dismissed, correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private, correct?
That's correct.
All right. Can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. And when you spoke to your attorney, did you go through your different rights today as far as whether you will have a trial and right to have an attorney present and all of the things that you'll be giving up by pleading guilty today?
Yes.
Okay. So did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand, as I just have your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're giving up your right to a trial, do you wish to continue with this guilty plea?
Yes.
One moment. Let me make sure this person is on mute. I can't put him on mute. Sir, can you hear me? He's still connecting. We're gonna keep moving. Okay. I'd like to bring attention to January 22nd, 2015, around 12:01 p.m. in the area of Finkel and Wyoming in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2008 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
At that time, were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, moving along, I'd like to bring your attention, Ms. Jenkins, to November 7th, 2017, around 2:42 p.m., the area of Grand River and Dexter in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2005 Dodge vehicle?
Yes,
And were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
yes,
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
yes,
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. And I will dismiss the 4 remaining counts before the court. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
thank you.
Yes, we do so stipulate, Your Honor.
Okay, and you are welcome, Ms. Jenkins. Anything before sentencing?
No,
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Ms. Jenkins has posted an $800 bond. We would ask the court make costs and fines minimal and keep her costs and fines within that, if not substantially below that.
Okay, Ms. Jenkins, did you
yes,
post it? You didn't post that through bail bondsman, did you?
no, ma'am.
Okay. I just want to ask you a question. Do you have any other traffic matters in other jurisdictions?
Yes, I do.
Which jurisdictions do you have left?
I have 1 ticket left for Livonia and the other one for Southfield.
Okay. So when are you gonna take care of those?
Livonia, I plan on doing that Friday, and then mainly probably both of them Friday.
Okay. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do.
Okay,
So you know, there are reinstatement fees on these cases that you have to pay. You understand?
Yeah.
You know about those?
can you repeat that one more time?
And do you know about the reinstatement fees?
Well, is it 125 for each one?
Oh, no, they're $45 a count.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'm going to apply your bond to your reinstatement fees, okay?
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. And for the 2 counts that you pled guilty to, I'm going to waive your fines and costs. So that's going to save you $480, okay?
Oh, wow, great. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I appreciate your patience. So you will get back the balance, whatever, what do you have, 6 cases? Whatever the balance is, you get that back in the mail within the next 8 weeks.
Okay, thank you.
Don't have any warrants anymore here at 36, and you don't have anything to pay to the court because your bond will go towards your reinstatement fees, okay?
Okay, great. Thank you.
I'm pretty sure the rest of the courts are doing Zoom. I don't know if they've made it past the phase where they can have people in the courtroom.
Yeah, I don't have to go to court for them. I don't have any warrants. I paid majority all my tickets off. I just have that one left. I paid all my warrants off.
Oh,
So
good.
I just got to pay the tickets on Friday. Then I'll be complete. All my tickets will be paid.
So those, are they misdemeanors or civil infractions?
Misdemeanors.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Sometimes it helps to let judges know that you're trying to take care of your matters.
Okay. Yeah, I paid all my tickets off, all my warrants, everything. So I just have them tickets left, and they'll be paid Friday.
Okay. So you are all set. Do you have any questions?
No, I appreciate everything that you have done for me.
You're welcome. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thanks. Bye-bye.
And good morning, sir. I can't hear you.
He's not muted. He's not trying to talk though.
I know. I'm not sure what he's doing.
Can you hear us, sir? Sir, can you hear us?
I'm going to remove you and have you call back in, okay? It was strange. It's strange because I can't. Who's this?
I don't know.
Miss Finn?
So it looks like Ms. Finn is on your 1:30 docket, Your Honor,
Thank you.
for an arraignment.
Okay. I'm waiting for their audio to connect so I can tell them. If you all can hear me, can you raise your right hand? Neither one of them. Miss Finn, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, finally. Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning.
I think you're on the 1:30 docket.
Yes, oh, okay.
Just
So
extra.
what, you come back at 1:30?
Call back at 1:30. We have a different attorney that handles our afternoon matters, okay?
Oh, so I just hang up now?
Before you hang up, let me just tell
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
we have a lot more people that call in the afternoon. If you have any charges for, I don't know, I don't have my docket printed out in front of me.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor,
Yes, thank you for
I'm sorry if I can't I don't mean to overtalk you, but Ms. Finn has one matter for unregistered motor vehicle. I can do it so she doesn't have to pop back on if you're okay with that.
I'm quite all right with that. So Ms. Finn, we're gonna take care of your matter right now. So you have to call back at 1:30, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank your attorney. I'm gonna put you on the breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so just accept it, Ms. Finn, when I invite you all.
Yes.
Sir, can you hear us?
I don't think he can hear anything.
Okay.
Okay, so you all are assigned to breakout room 2.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I haven't gotten the request to go to the breakout room yet.
Really? It says you're already in there. Is there anywhere to click to go back into the same room?
Breakout rooms. Okay,
There we go. Okay, now what's going on? Where'd everybody go?
You're not actually about to pop back over from the breakout room.
Okay, and the gentleman, he logged off again,
Okay.
who I couldn't hear. Somebody's up.
Yes, he is up and watching Cat in the Hat, eating his fruit and cereal while mommy does this.
Isn't that nice? You can
Yes, it is nice. And he usually sleeps till about 10:30, so that gives me a chance to do the early court.
That's perfect.
Yes.
What are we setting a date or are we moving?
We are setting a date because she's going to get some documents. I don't know. Let me see if I can go back to the breakout room and see where she's at.
Okay, and I'm going to call the clerk for a date.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, what's our trial date for today? August something. Okay. Mm-hmm. August 26th. What day is that? Oh, okay. So that'd be your day. Okay, you putting work on your own day. Okay. I have the files from Miss Jenkins written on the back of them, the notes. I'm trying to figure out how can I scan that over to? I'm just gonna walk them down, but I'm trying to figure out how to do this actually remotely without having to walk files down. No, no, I don't want you to do any more work. So I'll walk them down, thinking how I can hand them over for the future with notes on it. We have one more case. She's here. She was called in early for her 1:30, so we're going to take care of her now. And she's ready to go. So yeah, I'll walk these files down after we get done with this one. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, that was me. I was trying to help her leave that one.
Oh, okay. Okay, she's out.
And so she's going to dial back in.
Okay.
Yes.
It's hard when you have cell phones and the audio connects to the internet to get out the breakout rooms.
Okay. Okay. So she should be calling back in.
Okay.
She was about to cry. I'm like, we don't have to cry. We got this.
No crying, no crying. Miss Faye. No crying today. Miss Fan.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. Let's what are we gonna do today?
Your Honor, we're going to ask that the court waive her physical appearance, allow her to be arraigned on the information. She's entering a not guilty plea, and we're setting a pretrial date if at all possible.
Okay. So let me call the case. That'll be case number SP 106-37071, the people versus Nina Finn, 1 count of unregistered or untitled vehicle. And can you state your name for the record, please?
Nina Finn.
Good afternoon, Ms. Finn, or good morning, I should say.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And is it correct you're waiving your appearance today in court?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Yes, Your Honor.
ma'am makes me sound old.
Oh, okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. You were scheduled for 1:30, but you called in early, and Ms. Phyllis Gannon Robinson was nice enough to take care of it today for
Thank you, Ms. Robinson.
You're welcome.
So I will set aside or any warrants, recall any warrants, set aside any capias so you don't have a warrant out for your arrest, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor. I'm so nervous right now.
Don't be nervous. It's okay.
You got the good judge too. You're fine.
Oh, thank you.
Sabree.
Okay, I gotta write everything down. Clerk. All right, and we're gonna set a pre-trial. Let's set a pre-trial date.
Yes.
Are you in the process of trying to obtain that document?
Yes.
Okay, how much time do you need to obtain it?
Maybe like a week.
Oh, how about I give you 3 weeks?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that enough?
Perfect.
That enough time?
Yes.
Okay, let's see here. Let's do. I'll be out of town. How about July 20th? It's a Monday.
Yes.
And you call back in at, I was gonna say 8:30, but call back in at 9 o'clock, okay?
Yes. Yes.
And I'm going to give you, do you know how to use a chat on your phone right now? The Zoom chat?
No, I don't know how to use it, but I could get someone possibly to help me with that, or I can just try and read and do it myself.
Can you write down my email address? I'm going to send it to you so you can scan a document over.
Yes, ma'am. One moment. Where's my ink pens? Y'all constantly touch my ink pens, please. Wow.
So how did it go today to you?
It's a look. We need prosecutor access.
Yes,
So,
y'all have your email address?
It's Aliyah, ALIYAH.
Wait a minute, I'm sorry, I had to get the pen. A-L, Kevin, okay, A-L-Y.
ALI.
Oh, A-L-I.
YAH.
Y-A-H.
Dot.
Sabree,
S-A.
S-A.
B as in boy.
B as in boy.
R-E-E.
R-E-E.
At 36, that's 36TH.
36TH.
District Court.
O-U-R-T. Yes.
.org.
.org.
So when you obtain your registration,
Yes, ma'am.
take a picture of that or scan it over and email it to that email address I just sent you, okay?
Your Honor, just for the record, that vehicle, she's not going to obtain a registration for.
Yes. I called her on the phone. I had Kevin call her on the phone.
Okay.
She said I could go to the if I pay the money at the junkyard, I can have the car. So I'll be able to drive. So I'll go get the car from the junkyard, pay the money, and get it registered in my name.
Okay.
Is that cool?
That's fine. You just told me the car was being junked, so you were supposed to get a junking receipt.
I didn't mean to say junk. I meant to say impound. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Not junkyard, impound.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So do I just hang up now?
Yes.
Have any questions?
Okay, thank you. Have a great day, Your Honor.
Remember the date?
Yes, ma'am. July 20th, 9 a.m.
Okay. All right, you're all
Thank
set. Have a good one.
Bye, Ms. Robinson.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy your day. Goodbye.
You too.
Now, how do I go off, Kevin?
I'll hang you up.
Okay, darling. So I got it July 20th.
She was nice. So I think that we need prosecutor access with regards to offers, and when people have on here, like the young lady that was sitting in Judge Wagner's for 2 hours this morning, she had a title, but I couldn't talk to the prosecutor with regards to trying to amend the offer. So we definitely need access to the prosecutors. And it may be as simple as sending us an email of all of the prosecutors' cell phone numbers and being able to text it back and forth if we're not able to do it in a breakout room on Zoom. Like, here's the document that my client sent me. Can we get a reduction in the charge?
And another issue is they don't have space to Zoom in the courthouse because they're all in one room, so everyone can hear everybody's stuff. So we gotta fix that issue, because I had to leave the other courtroom with Mr. Morgan because he was talking to the defense counsel and I couldn't listen in on their conversation.
Okay.
But I'll add that to the list. I'm trying to compile a list of all the things that need to kind of be fixed around these tech issues or this virtual hearing stuff.
Yeah. So I mean, I think that would help a lot, and then it can go smoothly if we get that addressed.
Does it help to have the file scanned? So we have our list now of who's assigned for the day. Would it help if you had the file? See, I don't want to scan everyone's file over to you, but as soon as someone checks in, to just have their file scanned over?
It does help, but I'm going to be honest and I'm going to be candid. The issue is likely going to come because, you know, we have defendants that will come in and they got 30 or 40 tickets.
Right.
And the burden that's placed on the clerk to get all of that to us, and then for us to download and try to go through and decipher that, it's simple when we have people with the 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets. That's simple. We might have to figure out a different method though for those who have those large tickets, or they're going to have to be conscious when scheduling people that they may put themselves in a position where they're stuck behind trying to prep all of those files for scanning when scheduling. So they should probably schedule people wisely, like where you have people with 2 or 3 tickets and not put 3 or 4 people with 40 tickets on one docket.
That person should be on his own, basically.
Almost.
And at a later time.
I mean, and I can understand them popping other people with 1 or 2 tickets on there because they may or may not show up. Their track record with 40 tickets say they show up if they want to. Right. So I can absolutely understand them, but don't overwhelm yourself, especially if scanning over the documents is going to be the required standard. Don't overwhelm yourself by having 2 or 3 people like that on your docket.
Okay. All right. Well, if there's anything else, let me know too. Okay.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Thank you for helping.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.